You know that one design detail that can totally transform a space? Well, for me, it's drapes. I'm an interior designer and I use 2 pages in so many of my projects. So when it came time for me to do a nursery update, I knew exactly where to turn.
I replaced the old panels with these new beautiful drapes from 2Pages, and I'm so happy with the look. I'm an interior designer, and since I've used 2Pages in so many of my other projects, of course they were going to be my go-to for the window treatments in the nursery. I chose the Liz linen fabric in ivory beige with a pinch pleat top. The linen is soft and airy yet structured, and 2Pages color range made finding the perfect shade so easy. These panels have adjustable hooks for easy length tweaks. Installation is simple, just hook and adjust. For the nursery, I picked the Blackout and thermal lining, and it's perfect for keeping it cool and dark. The quality of these drapes is amazing for the price. If you want custom looking accessible drapery, check out 2Pages. They're a go-to for any style.